nor too cold. Thank you. Yeah, sure. It is neither too hot nor too cold, and but I think in the plains, I think there's a heat wave going on. You know, I read in the news. You know, BBC. I think it was Rajasthan in one place. I think it reached 50 degrees. 50 degrees in a place called Chur or something. You know. It was really hot. I think, according to a satellite, weather satellite, they said that it was the hottest spot, you know, in the world right now. That place, particular place in Rajasthan. That's the Rajasthan. Ete yulbo, chilo churlo, chidonshilo, chumur tamalo, chumur ladasano pole. Te churs kan yulbo. Tene zambuli tasa zambuli pilok ne tene satellite ni postache na. Sami sang yusupo chidijin. O sachishokpo. Inokzet bale sombasang agara satpachin moitiduk Delhi na 47 na jipchu jabdul na petso shilip tudule la dasa samedi ngishu tajimani tingurukle satpa somba illa das ponta chusipia magelenti tukle jeju na ngara gamsu level ka gamsu tamanga dukshesinele lo panchik dukshesin chigel dukzane gamsu tal demoduk I've lived at sea level. You know, when I used to live in Europe, I used to live at sea level, and it's very nice. I like the ocean. You know, I like the ocean. But being a mountain person, we are always quite apprehensive about the ocean. We are more comfortable in the mountains than the ocean. Tene gamsu izuptika dukzane chidichen gamsu thama dukzane sabik jiksarakle chejuna ngatanchik ri adukane mijigin basam tene chik gamsu thama lebajana sabik jigna buma yorle ina demoduk gamsu thama mal demoduk. But one thing is that I think the lower you go altitude, the more polluted, you know, naturally, because you're very low, so there's more pollution, right? You may feel it, especially when you live at the seaside and also when you live in the mountains. You feel the difference, and I did that. I gamsu tamang duksen, rikang duksen, sumbasang gamsu izuk peka, chidichen gamsu level peka, tenizuk pollution mapo yung tukle. Sa ko pollution butzapik lungspo untizam sama yung merukle. Altitude of mamo sumbasang chi khom gapches. I think for meditation, high altitude is highly conductive, you know, for meditation and for concentration. That is why in ancient India, you know, in ancient India, Shing Sechilo, the Kamachik Matipa, Rang Sakad Jumbochi, Chaksal to promote of precious language. No, he's going to really. Spiraladas, Spiratansi, Mimampo, Ladas Pangyut, Agua, Yampo, Ladas, Majiskan, and Respanatani Galpan Yuju, Kongana Hagosan, Sole, Son Pasaladas, the General Ladas Kachipotansin. The Ranskat Bakachin Mono, the Young Ashat Gushes Mikirele, Kachin Mono, the Young Ashat Gushes Mikir, Ranskachipotonzikam, Hagomagole. Oh, yeah. Then meditation Mata, Jukom get Chisipia for meditation and for practice. High altitude is really conductive. That is why I think in ancient India, you know, all the holy beings, they used to go to Himalayas. Manang tene gyare ngata sadhu du yongchama narupati lupati gunang chikchi de chinkura samatu chisipia hom kep chisipia tene izuk jiguni kashkata kyale. Ladakh is highly conductive for meditation and for spirituality. Ladakh padim bi korangata chik chosu chisipia ma o gyalenti dog justenya ju tene ta shuluka number chubdun le so shuluka number chubdun stanza number 17 guma ladas ka den jin guma rans ka den jin tene english is ka den jin so ta dang nyang ma pujigi joale barak english chipena tong ladas ka den matang ziste gyar pana chigel pa mampu dugle ina ngiz limuchis hagu juspin ika ngara ladas pa jigi nok mi tene das instagram ka yikani mistakan manke wa ko ladas pa nok tene ladas ka den sabik marek ma jugos saram juspin yale so son basan rans ka matang kan man donc c'est quand il dit donc j'ai combien de disques de on a deux mensonges sont les dans ce cas promote match au manogle dans ce cas promote quand on a je sais pas là dans un ami 200 mariale oh il y a un antique oh de tout ça ça gauche c'est dans de rien en english non c'est pas matin là sont les dans de english on c'est pas matin là tenez chic 개발파나 레스파나 콘스마 하고서 나초스가 뭐 정비 피아노 발에 예죠 셜로카 넘버 줄든 라라다기 탕토나 빠된 라버신주유 라라진지 탕토나 보진 자반주유 오야 타유 땅한테네 준주기 지발이 나몰간 버티나 몬투티노래 땅아땅 지리진 거라 미 라라즈나 카식자노래 라라 소 라라즈나 카식자노래 라라즈는 때 하티에 두칸에 겨울비 라라즈스 때만오래 하고 라라즈나 카식자노래 카시게 때니 소소랑에 다즈나 랑자노래 때니 카시게 소소랑에 탁통나 만나다지 주구리차자니 주구리차 직통하지나 많이 거랑 탕통나 지리진 가시기 다직 마다유 막당자니 코쪽시 제틴티그리서 미스 파우군 때문에 막당자니 다직 자국군이 다직 막당자니 이왕 포건 아왕 포건 할래 때문에 소소 탑통하지는 마직 보스파스케치슬래 하고 소소랑에 탑빙테노클래 소소라 가시기 소소랑에 탑통나 때문에 스파즈간 뭐 하래 때문에 지 도가자간 뭐 마용체슬래 심보 마juk 지리진 그런 도가장 규칙 뭐쇼 다쇼다 지다 한바 마용체슬래 소 바텐 하퍼스케 와는 규르스 킹규 유tlore 때문에 지 한바와 즉 마용 노지스테노클래 하고 때문에 가시기니 라라 징기 탕통나 때문에 가시기니 전미 탁통나 소소랑에 장탁 마비야노클래 소소랑에 주고 마차다노 소소랑에 락박강 마차 마차다노 막당아 마차다노 마차노클래 가시기니 미전마지 탁통나 호스피털지게 인도 라메 타마지게 인도 야지 키지 탁 인도 빌라지게 탁 인도 샘신지 라메 타마시카니나 복진 잘바는 줄바 유로 할래 때문에 그랑 그랑 비오셔치스 디죽 스파메탄 유티아잖아 할래 가시기니 때문에 소소랑 탁빙나 똥마 스파오 또 곰스파상이 높발래 곰스파상 너빠 춘춘춘 군 곰스파상 되네 고 스파우규 때는 발래 되네 스티니 대잠 스파우규 때는 기 거든 소소장을 탁 빙나 다른 배우시지 다만 보시 다른 마이죽 한바용치스 다른 마직 스파용치스 손래 가시기니 되네 한바메간 군 마곰간 군이니 되네 전매 탁통나 미전마지기 탁통나 심신지기 탁통나 되네 만에 배우시간 이렇게 하자면 할래 대주시 인틱도 so stanza number 17, it is continuation of the analogy of yesterday. Basically you have to habituate yourself to small how can I say to small sufferings, to minor sufferings, and then eventually it will stop bothering you. So if we give in to small irritations, we will not be able to be patient on the path towards enlightenment, because there will be so many challenges. Like I said yesterday, like Lord Buddha, when he was a bodhisattva, he offered his own body to a tigress, hungry tigress, because through his omniscience, he could see that the tigress was starving, famished, and the tigress had intended to eat one of the cubs to sustain herself, so she could have some milk to give to the rest of the cubs, to sacrifice, so to speak. So Buddha knew that he was a bodhisattva, and he could offer his own body to the tigress. Imagine how painful it must be. We can't even bear the sting of a mosquito. I mean, okay, mosquitoes don't bite us, they sting us, but we feel like it's biting us with the teeth. But anyway, we can't even, bear the sting or a bite of a mosquito or a bee. Yeah, it's so painful, and we kill them immediately, right? If a mosquito is like stinging your, skin, we immediately kill it. We can't even bear small irritations. I'm not saying you should let mosquitoes bite you. They carry lots of diseases, but it's just an analogy. So imagine how painful it must be when a tiger or a tigress is eating your body. If you look at the stories of the bodhisattvas, you will see so many examples of them offering their own flesh, cutting their own flesh to benefit others, taking their own eyes. So that's what he's saying here. You need to get used to small irritations, right? Small inconveniences, small sufferings. Eventually you'll be able to resist great suffering, and your capability to be patient vastly increases. Yeah, you become hard-skinned, so to speak. So this is an analogy. Some seeing their own blood. This is an analogy, especially during warfare, right? So those people who are used to fighting, who are used to valor, who are used to, bravery, because they train so much and they get cuts and bruises all the time. Maybe in the when they first train, they will get so depressed. They will get so scared. They will be so timid. They will be so afraid when they get a cut, when they get some injuries, when they're training. But afterwards, when they become a good soldier, when they become a general, when they're fighting on the battlefield against the enemy, some seeing their own blood, when they get cuts and bruises during fighting, they have more valor. It increases their valor, their resolve. They become stronger. But then that's those who have trained their mind, right? And there are others who are not trained, while some faint even at the sight of others' blood. Can be the blood of an animal, can be the blood of a mosquito, can be the blood of a bird, whatever. Can be blood on TV, right? I don't know someone, but I've heard of people fainting at the sight of blood, I don't know, maybe it's a disease or something, but still, it's just an example that if you practice, then even at the sight of your own blood, you will not be timid. It will increase you will become stronger. But then if your inner strength, if your habituation is not good enough, then even at the sight of somebody else's blood, you will faint. Number 18. Teni semking hongten tang dharme tsuli gyurpa yin dewe nepa kisi jing dunga namki mesu ju. Oh yeah, so why does that happen? Touching the Ladakh in the first in Ladakhi, then in English, yeah? Okay, so Chilo Izupo. Tateochi Pesonte Nole. Mana. Teochi Pesonte Nozena, the name at Anchiriching Koran, Sem Zikan Binankuga, Chik Nanten. Hale mountain zenachik spatsoshik onchimana mountain zenachik himatospo himat teni semi himatpo mountain zen himatospo zanogle teni mountain teni himat yutna sosorang tapino jangjik samanogle chi chamano zanopole himat medna teni line number nispa darme tsulli kurpayin teni mane dharma zenachik chidichin korang buzdil zanopole ngata hindis ka denezena buzdil spamitkan hale lokometan darme tsulli kurpayin Teoni teni chik loho chesna loho mechis pe gyurte no teni komin chana loho gyon pale himat yon pa magom na teni loho meten pale so ma chunzani zoshigi na ngai turagle joglam sara ngaja teni chunzani tezanga tindun ma chet pinle so joglam sara teni tena PGD izuka opposite pe ngaja duat pinle Tega duksane ngai turakle teni ngana amale abale teni ngenomo teni yang ajishi gutbin ajil hamuza kan jiswale teni ngai samanya budu gutbin teni tezane abale nyadu sangaja tajik abale korang tajik mani korang himat ma gera tapoit pinale himat gela teni abale sangaja chik himat yongchi sipe ngaja spa yongchi sipe so ngaja teni chik spa yongchi sipe teni abale sangaja sepele ngi 결항이스게 나네 님의 군상이 맞으치니 놈이 멜다발리잖아 봐 다와못되니 결항이스게 나네 수 필요가 somte되니 강파 작가직 당년님 산이 문제기나 때왔더니 이 쪽을 단지 봐상해 뒤서 맞아 트레인 주진래 되는 고메가 산디 직신 창인지 말래 자순 답선을 놓성 챈데서 되니 쪽을 보자 챈네 되는 다 합다지 용좀만 잠만 같이送받더니 되니 직시 부담 없벌래 어때서 신티도 봐야 돼. 또 마탄직 스테니 셈깅한테는 달미 술리 그바인 되네 코치 마타 트레이닝 참여시했으나 그때서 마타 셈부책 장스티였나니 직상만 그래. 다섯 스페셜은 이 독사오 이가 독생활이 공파 장사오 뭐네 거라 타가 놓벌래. 소 타가 놓을래. 때문에 거라 주시디 율네 킬로미터 숨속시 놓을래. 주시디 율 메인 로드 니와 리초 아스타 킬로미터 숨속시 놓을래. 스토리 라인 속시가 있나 마주 라인 속시가 놓을래. sombosandaji gumega tangata jiksamera ta taina mi kashikishik tani goika yongzani mane kronzel tu pala wa jiksamera tsamle ke dusi chikpo hale tani jik amale yekyak ta nomote yekyak ina jiksamera tani ngi sumji tsanga dukste hale mane gona jiksamera ziruk pale ne jikse hale jikshis boda yula ma jikrishim du pale skunma yula yon pa tanga skunma yon pa hale misat kanna tani jik nors takani ko ika gompaji no skugi changme kya mana tani ji seri chaloni changme ngulni chaloni changme maratna izuk chas pasan jashas te chalaji no tani chang jiri changme teno pole tani ngizat pa jiri ngena ngona yula dukan ngona ma jiri tu pole stanchik samate ga yuteno skul majik tani agani dulte ngone ko kanta sum kilometer sum no pole te tsapa panchi ko ngala do somte so tani china mana izuk shiga dukche chang jik samera pole tani chunzane tezu susuran chikpo dugin duks pasang jikri pute no pole 또 못해요. 대비 네바 키시진 동안남지 미수 주 소알레 되는 거다 너빠 춘춘군 대장 케스즈나 되는 만에 거랑 이숙 마 이숙 맞춰알레 너빠 춘지가 나와서 맞으라 아치지 맞으라 저비 홈나 되니 동안남기 미수 주 되니 스티니 동알군은 갔다 숙성하노 동알군은 갔다 참 너빠 시켜라만 그래 동알 제목은서 동알 춘춘춘군 갔다 직장나 되는 갔다 낭땡장 갔다 되니 힘맞잖 그러노 되니 이숙 직스kan 그러면 루사만 오지스는 갈래 다상하다 때나 직시체스라 직시스 되니 즉 동할 용체서 직시스 붙이 배는 그래 집해주는 마다 되니 직직다 차스파친 모습 되는 그래 수수로가 차스파친 모습 되는 수수 루스가 차스파친 모습 되는 되니 베네가 차스파친 모습 되는 갈래 되니 시켜와 장 이숙 마금 파상 좀 춘지가 나지 잡익 스톡나 되니 양직 많이 그런지만 잡익 우르스 just 마도가 마스토가 좁아스토가 마차지세요 올룹사치스타 빅스콤나 두르지스 마도가 되니 즉 산티 마기로는 볼래 좀은 픽시경나 많이 그런 무스탕치스 많이 그래 되니 많이 그런 구초글링 땅치스 많아 즉 좆고산 호우스는 그래 좀 춘춘춘군 미군이 냐두지 춘춘춘군 좆고산 그래 당들이 뭐는 좆파 그모도 봐 거리지 슈트잖아니 கொஞ்சம் 호란당세 들어져도 봐래 자 금선 밑에는 그래 கொஞ்சம் 라미가 둘 때는 람지 그 아베 람니 많아 할래 많아 코아발레세 라민 비나 코아메 라민 비나 코스페라라소 콘스파살 니리아 빌라미카 가 거리술때가 한바 கொஞ்சம் 콘스파살 호란지앙 살고시스는 울도르게 보시스는 콘스파살 주중아 다사랑이 거리 핀즈는 리테는 빨래 람분이 왔다더니 라다 미마용스 라미노 많아 다저치사 고르민자노 많이 왔다 미망스 라미노 빨래 람 사마 둘치시기노 퍼블릭 라미노 봐 데라미가 둘즈는 지사드 모톱노 다 많이 코치 할래 산사메가 로고시식 코치 장당 차고시식 코치 많이 그랑 지 아메리카 프레지던트 양 미팅을 간소서 많이 호란다서 들어쳐도 빨래 만나래 대담 조파 메테노 봐 되네 거리 두뇌 있다는 거리 봐 두뇌 있다는 거리 술던 봐 쇼용스 겸네 호란탄도스 빨리 삐삐삐삐삐삐 빨리 코쇼용스 코에사드 마탄스 되네 이주스 빨리 되네 익스린처럼래 되네 증모처럼래 스페라자나 짱 미켜래 건조 루코트리레 치치스 되네 빨빨에 람 타마카스네 직스타지나 빨빨에 디즈르 마투도 빨리 와 되네 마토지는 그냥 하 직스 빨리 오빠가리 무치 비즈르 빨리 마냐라 원 증모치 베당스 스퍼서 라마게 모스퍼서 코아마네 가 람마탄스 이주모 람탕시 만화래 그치 람 세긴 가시기 별 람마탕 했더니ズモタスマリパレテゴンスパマゴンなマナスティマガタテネチドゥシパンゴンマタイカヨンザネテネチマタナクスタンナマナマタナチミセナコガナクシンモトンザネテネチチェンレソンバサエトチュニガマタンジャンゴサノオジュステンバヤレなガリトゥノシュルティシャザンギャブノホランモコダンギンラムタメレミンガラムタメレマナパブレホランモコダンラムタメレションヨメラガレマナゴギャブノメボルトバタテネゴガリイズチュステナドンビカチャビアチャンコマンションセスタルパレワーズドブシズパルパレガリガラフルデチャッタさテネテザネチックチデチェンオマナテネゴトンチェノアルブシキンパランジコンスパサシャスパゼルパレテネナザタルタンソンチマネテマニナゾナタチシュヨンチェスチュンチュンクネガタゾパゴモサノジュステニアテネテズクノパチュングンマタテネ대외 뇌바 키세징 되는 거다 대주고 너빠 춘춘 거다 대주장 지대징 거랑 대주바 홈면나 대우 거다 되니 만이나 제가 다 주바 홈면나 되니 동안은 미수 주 되는 거다 동안 제목은 장 참아놓은 거다 하래 오야 대우 못 들어가네 In English now, then is something, stanza number 18, that comes from mental fortitude or from timidity, right? So once you can train your mind as a soldier trains himself or herself to get ready for battle, in the same way, if you train your mind, if you train yourself, then you have mental fortitude, you have bravery, you have capacity to be patient. Right? But then if you don't train your mind, if you let small irritations, if you let small sufferings affect you, you can never train yourself. Right? Then that's why then you become timid, you become very soft, you become very vulnerable. Therefore, one should become invincible to suffering and surmount pain. So, if you train your mind by not giving in to small sufferings and irritations, we become invincible to suffering. Right? We become invincible to suffering. Suffering does not affect us, and then we can endure great pain and When that happens, when we reach that level of patience, right? Patience, not only from somebody who's angry at us, but patience also from suffering. Then it doesn't, then you can cut your own flesh and feed others. Right now we can't. That is why in the Buddhist teachings, the teachings on generosity, Sansigi Jimba, the teachings on generosity, especially in the teachings on how to be materially generous, how to be generous with your materials. The Buddha has specifically forbidden those who have not trained their mind by realizing the emptiness of self. Buddha has forbidden them to sacrifice their own body parts, because the Buddha knows that we don't have the mental fortitude to to experience such pain. It will cause suffering. But once we realize the emptiness of self, then you don't have any pain. Then you can cut your own arms, because then you realize that your body has no inherently, independently existing nature. Even though, right now it may seem like solid, it may seem like our bodies are real in the ultimate sense, right? We have such attachment because for eons and eons, for many lifetimes, our mind is trained consciously and subconsciously to see ourselves as a solid, independently existing object, so we are attached to that. Even if you're not consciously thinking of our bodies as a solid, independent object, subconsciously we are still attached to it. That is why we get pain, That is why we experience a lot of discomfort when something happens to us, or to something that belongs to us, right? Something that is within our sphere, right? So it's a bit like that. So for example, if I take off my shirt, if I throw it away, right? If I throw it on the floor, if somebody steps on my shirt, I'll get angry, right? But the thing is, like, the shirt is not my body. But the anger is not that, anger won't be that much as somebody actually, putting you down on the floor and walking over you. Then you'll get more angry. But obviously our attachment is so strong that even if somebody, walks over my shirt, which is on the floor, walks over my slipper, somebody looks at me in a very bad way, you feel angry. That is because of our attachment. But then that is also because we have not trained our mind properly. And I was just going through in Ladakh about these days people are so impatient, and I was giving example of traffic, because I love driving. I've always loved driving ever since I could drive. I drove, and I enjoy driving a lot. Even in Ladakh, sometimes if I have to go to do some prayers, some rituals, to give some teachings, even if I have somebody who can drive for me, I prefer to drive myself. I like the experience of driving. But I was just saying that these days, people are so impatient that even if you don't allow somebody to overtake you for a few seconds, they get so angry. They blow their horns as if the road belongs to their father. As if the road belonged to themselves. The road is a public property, right? And you're driving peacefully. Maybe sometimes you make a small mistake, you just switch off and then you remain on the other lane, that you're blocking his lane. But it's not a crime. He can be patient for a few seconds, and he tries to overtake from the wrong side. And sometimes, like, if there's another car, then, or if he can't, people keep blowing horns, so we express our angers in small instances like these in our daily lives. We express our angers, and also we do not practice patience. We give in immediately, and we respond in an angry manner. And then what happens? Then you stop your cars, then people can come out of the cars, and then they have fist fights. They argue. And then sometimes, when you ask them, like, why are you arguing? What happened? Did somebody hit you? No. Nobody hit me. I'm totally fine. He didn't let me pass. So ego is so strong. And you've become a slave for your own ego. You're not practicing patience at all. You have no capacity, to be a patient, calm person. Right? And you let small irritations irritate you. Then you reach home, you're in a very bad mood because somebody didn't let you pass. And then you got humiliated by all the people who were watching your fight, And then you come back home with a black eye, with a swollen nose, with a broken tooth. And then obviously you come home and then you take your anger out on your family. You take your anger out on your wife, your husband, your children, whatever. Yeah, and then you start drinking. You think like, oh, it's going to solve your problems. No, but then it's like a spiral, a downward spiral, Then you get addicted because of alcohol. Then beer is not enough, not strong enough because beer has 10% alcohol. Then you want something stronger. You want whiskey, which has 20-something% alcohol. Oh, then you go faster and faster. Then you drink rum, which is even stronger, faster. Then you take some drugs. Then you do that while you drive, So it's like, I'm not saying everybody goes through the same process, but I'm just saying that small irritations can build up, right? It can fill up. In Hindi, there is something like gada bargya. Gada bargya means like the pot is full. It's a very nice saying in Hindi, like gada bargya, like the pot is full, it's overflowing. And that starts with these small irritations, right? If, like we have our enemies cross the borders and they really just want to kill us all for no reason at all, right? If our neighbors are not as pleasant, like some other countries, the neighbors are very nice. For example, when I was living in Europe, Spain and France and Portugal and Denmark and Sweden, they didn't fight because they got along well. Schengen Agreement, European Union, so they got along well, no problem. But in these areas, India, Pakistan, China, there's always conflict. So I'm just saying so in the future, if something bad happens, and if it's a big matter, of course, then you have to do something about it. Yeah, but that's a grave matter. It's a matter of existence. But in these small matters, like somebody not letting you overtake, somebody, you're in a queue in outside a shop, outside a chemist, a drugstore. Yeah, in America they call it drugstore. No, not to buy drugs, chemist. Yeah, in India we say chemist store to buy medicine. You're in a queue and somebody crosses the queue. Maybe that person, somebody's dying at home, Maybe his wife is pregnant. He needs some medicine desperately. Maybe he has toothache, then he can't bear to stand in line. At airports, I've seen it so much. You're in a queue and Indian airports, especially Terminal 3, the queues are so long. And I don't know why, maybe it's my bad karma, but every time I come, it's like the queues are really long. And then I have to wait. And I love waiting, It's like you can't just get in, you can't just think of getting out. You have to think of all the other people. And I like to wait. I don't mind, I just take out my earphone. I listen to some music, right? Or I listen to some audiobooks. I take out my small tablet, my iPad, or my phone. I have some PDFs. I have some books. I read my books. Or I have actually a real physical book in my bag. I take it out. I make some phone calls to some friends. I respond to some messages on WhatsApp or Instagram or email or whatever. You use it, You don't always have to look at the queue in a negative way. The queue is a very positive, beautiful thing. It is allowing you to take a step back and finish some work, gain some knowledge. You can memorize one stanza by the time you get out of the airport in India, Yeah, so it's just an example. You can change things really positively, And then especially if somebody is blowing horn behind you, beep, 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 if you let the person go with a nice indicator, he will do this to you. Thank you, He will do a nice gesture to you. You don't have to necessarily block their road just to say go to hell, Let me just explain this briefly. Zopazagan ma nyunduk pale yale zopazagan kazo nyunduk jona tene hatiji pilogachi smanji nyuzane tene ngatanjik line jiga dukse yodna tene mi tekan line bu chakse mi ji bang tang sa hati dunbe ga chana o kemise ga chana mane ko achi choste nika line thamera wa ngatang social distancing choste khal kaps tel lakshop gonte sanitizer choste ngaja samashin zo keran kozo sombendana chipata ko nama adik parik delivery chart do khaso zumo yonse koto pashala do chipata mana hale ko music chana chi ko jisnes tonse mano Pakistan leptemano gemi leptemano pale tuze penye tene nangjin la chik o airport airport 속식인 나 스페셜 남자만 대왕아 이도는 봤다 아 이왕 와서비 친구스 파상 에어포트인도 되네 가르치 신나 신고선이 doktor지가 찾아내 가다 신고선 하나 즉 신고선으로 되네 가다 동시 오피스에 찾아 가다 신고선으로 대전에 만에 그런 미국도 만에 차가지게 차로 벌이 마스터로 만에 그런 만나 되네 루게가 라스타체스 군저 키토스라 그 수비 남빙선도 마창이나 아 그랑상 마당스 고마 용칸이 미국은 찬스가 미kerle 계속 또 멘탈리티 때 춘춘거나 저다 고마인 파상 때니 미 안파규르테 놓벌 때니 파타차 놓벌 so tuses pa tene special ta aran soje na te onje shingo shedna so azi gar wa gar shazan ko ji jumbu shi se tamaro pale la na soje ne ko ni ran samo ta pa jut pasan ji ma te onje shingo shi zaman yo mer te ina shingo shi na gera o jumbu chi no se te mane koran o shke desiste samo mane koran chi go sta se ma kera no pale ina gar soje sustinle 대용아 버버랑아 대숙주ste 야가래 쳐선 기포서라 제전에 직 니랑은 참 좋게래 대용아 잡통도 봐야 이가 두스팔라다서 두스팔 바다샤미로 벌레 되네 발바람인가 잔니 좋아 찾래 소코라자 잔니 좋아 코라차 주 바하르간슬로 코라차 주 하레 서더장아 코라차 주 스키포라클레 간타 숨숨 스토르도 게레 람군 되네 스키포 되네 조파곰 제세 냐나 빨레 가리 슈자니 양직 양치마나 짬냐나 직 조파곰 셀드모네 냠포 하레 되네 직 라인 지가 싱스유드 에어포트 구니가 노 에어포트 구니가 차잔다 마니 콘 미즈만 포용실레 라인 트랜스포션 되네 직 데parla 상스카타 마차 상스카타 전에 미고 나서 쳤는 빨레 되네 대전에 직 소소라야 직 내지 저전에 저 스페셜이 피한데리 알아 인터뷰를 찍고는 인터뷰를 가는데 춘주기 싸워 소식이 되나 소서 싸워진 마지기나 들사지 보자 쇼로가 직 로즈마들레 일본에 빙빙 사고 쇼로가 직 로즈 사시 양마치 인스타그램에 그 플랫폼 보시세요도 WhatsApp에 비치동시 미질란 지 주스트 유도 할레 오 대와 란탄 보시세요도 이메일 지가 란탄 보시세요도 양나 란탄 보시면 나 발바량 페이스북에 나서 인스타도 빨레 소 되네 발바랑 달라가서 아치리직 노몰리직 아초리직 아장리직 나셜 머리 부르도 버투기 나샤 조그릭스키 포조칸 조그릭 되네 발바랑 메시지 다 시즈 나마시즈 메시지 당인 줄 알아버려 이나 참에 죽을때모도 정말 세링식 줄레스 파서야죠 기획사스 만나 소마테서 노벌이 춘춘구니까 나타네 조사 만나 오주스냐 okay now that's enough stanza number 19 sholoka number tene 줄구바 kebi 동아 중요한 심지라동 용매자 묘모 남다 윤제세는 네바망 소알레 다 유즈스테노블레 tene 카스파 미상포 정주sem바 카스파 다지 카스파 주나 tene 지 미상포 연탄잔 조바홈연칸 초세 돈다겔라 시스칸 때우잔블레 tene 때군라 지 동아 용나 카스파군나 tene 지 정주sem바 조시가 동아 용나 tene 콩에 세미는 거였더니 당와 rabdang tene seminang ayukan jiwa ole so seminang ko yutkan te izupo peaceful jiwa wo tene nyokpazena tene jik chide chakora chushignan koga izuk ganda jogan soshik hale o chunan ko salu kan soshik chamana te ganda sonte nokpa to chajo mano stenokle semi tene skitpo yutkan chulak mo chumi chuzospo tene tene ko kalak de show mano ganda chajo mano stenokle kaspagun tajik lojan kangun chose ton tashes kangun sopa chun gom sosan sopa chi mo gom yan kangun jeste nogle nyomo namda yunje sena nupa mang sonale o ya tene chidi chen korang o ngatang tene chidi chen korang ngatang maktan shawo shisne kya hala I ngatang chidi chen korang o nangpe lamika tong sangi salamika dulzani sangi shaketo bichi mulduk tori long tuba kurtison ale maktan son mimang poshi sot jangtang son zera mirupa ale mata sangi salamika chicho gosan ozena mata sangi salamika nyompa ale ngati dushman sun ozena nyompa zikan monole so lut zera mirole ngata ladas bogone kal dudyon seno kal dudmono oi mane kora wa tene moji lamaji mostano dal dudinot paduk zero til dud zikan bachi seno ozena chi energy sok sambangan pa chumana semino ko sambangan pa zoshikyan te zoshil dudzana pale dud zegan bo ko dembe khoran chig rachoyt kanji mane jika duk semane me kyale dud zegan bo mane khorangata semino ko sambangan pa shkinal dud tena onole agwa dud zegan bo not pashkal kanji dud zana pale so o ya tene semino ko sambar sok poshkena shoyona tene chig ngata ngargel yona tene te ngata dembe krono pashkara no shidisini yalwalam jono so te ultimel dudinole mati dushman bo suno zene mati dushman bo sipagun tsosla katin chin mo no sipagun da special na o 당들의 잡히기 산세매가 용자이 뒤도 칼에 아다 라다스 스콜 보면 보직대가 게미는 년 보자비 용자이 뒤도 대 상발이니 신이는 뭐라면 할래 gyar pesipa indo ladas pesipa indo tene suisipa inna ngata sansang shungkan gun chezena kongone tene ngata ika kongone jaste ngata chik ika al demoshki ponanya putungyan teno mana mati ta shunga zoshingino pale te pe ladas ko mite ma min gyar army no tenang na mixal jose ladas ko pat samala ngi chukne salam na ngi chukne sumlam mang poyot tang atan zoshingina tene chik nangpa nang pela me ka dulkan soxigin na teneji mak tansha wishes me kele mati mak posunyam po kyazana ngati jang posunyam po kyazana nyum po nya po yotenole nyum po zegan bo semi zuk sorwajigin pole agwa kochi dushman zo to bakhurti yomanokle tikurti yomano bom ta manokle ko semi no ko ngata sorwajigin okle so tenete umute no po nyum namda yunje la ngatange zingmo tansa yulnje zena tene zingmo tansa mak tansa wo yung pa inoz tenogle yunje tsena no pamang dembe tene mak tankan bo samjik no pamang po ekya so dembe khoranga ta mak tansa ne samjik no tachin mo kya tuba phono ti phono deu ma tan chang chugo shisme teno na pas lang pilameka mati jang tang ches bo nyong pa nya bo jang tansa no pole dezani tv pho ma no tuba wo pho ma no so ba umje sem lang gom chishimane jang me kya c'est pas qu'on prochain lancement pour ekya jigichin mo ekya tezu ngata jingna mete no martino ya tepi ngata chile chen korang so pa chung gomen chen tene so pa chen mo gomen no so shimantano ya jo now in English stanza number 19. Not even in suffering should a wise person disrupt his mental serenity. It's quite self-explanatory, So a wise person is referring to somebody who has practiced patience, somebody who has compassion, somebody who has loving kindness, somebody who has trained his or her mind so that that person can be patient even during great hardships, right? So, not even in suffering, not even in great suffering, a wise person who has trained his mind, his or her mind properly, does not let suffering disrupt the serenity, doesn't let it muddy the clear waters of mental serenity, so to speak. For the battle is with mental afflictions. Mental afflictions, for example, it is referring to klesha. In Sanskrit we call it klesha: anger, ego, jealousy, attachment, ignorance, such and such, so on and so forth. So our battle as Buddhist is not to go to to fight against a human enemy, against machines like tanks and airplanes, right? So I was just referring that these days in Ladakh, in the border areas, there is some conflict due to communist Chinese, they're making some trouble, and we have a lot of our army personnels, Indians, also Ladakhis, and in Ladakh we have a lot of army personnels. We call them like a special, special brigade, special company, and right now they have been deployed to the border, and I think there is some conflicts happening. Nothing big, I guess, but still, I hope it won't escalate. But I was just saying that, I pray for the well-being of all the soldiers and for the conflict to ease. Anyway, so those soldiers such as those, when they have a conflict, their battleground is against humans who will shoot back, who will harm them back. Their conflict is against machineries which will kill a lot of people, and it's a great danger to life. But as Buddhist, as a practicing Buddhist, we don't have to face such battlefields against human foes, against against machineries like tanks and airplanes and so on. Our battle is against mental afflictions, and they don't really do us any harm, right? They don't do us much harm, and the agony is nothing compared to what soldiers face on a real battlefield. That's what he's saying. Yeah, so we should not basically. These are like very similar teachings, but Shantideva was using different analogies, different scenarios to guide us. Yeah, he's trying to teach us using different scenarios. He's telling us stories in beautiful, poetic way so that we can practice patience. Yeah, he's saying that don't get irritated by small instances. Yeah, learn to practice patience with small instances. Then eventually you can, your patience, your resolve, your mental fortitude will be so strong that even big sufferings, physical, or physical sufferings, big sufferings, physical injuries, you won't feel pain. I'll give you a good example. Last year, I already told this in Ladakhi a few days ago, so I will not repeat in Ladakhi. I'll say this in English. Last year, my monastery, which is in Himachal Pradesh, in a village called Supema, Rivalsar district Mandi. Yeah, so there we had a great Lama. He passed away at the age of roughly 86 something. Yeah, last year. October, I think he passed away in October. And he was a great Lama. He meditated for so many years in the caves. I think for more than 18, 19 years, and even in Tibet he meditated for many years. He was so patient, he was so wonderful. I've never seen him angry. Actually, he brought me up when I was, when I was in Himachal, after I went there, when I was at the age of 8, for my training as a Rinpoche, and to do my Dharma training, my Buddhist trainings. So he was the one, in charge of the monastery, and he brought me up. He was always in Supema, in that village, and he was so patient. Lama Wangdo Rinpoche, I remember it so nicely. He had this beautiful face, always smiling. He would never get angry. I've never seen him or heard him, get angry. He was so calm. I think you could literally punch him, but he would not, punch you back. He would just laugh. He was like a laughing Buddha. He was an amazing example of living patience, living bodhisattva, so compassionate. Years and years of meditation. He was always in meditation. If you stop speaking to him, and he would never gossip. He would never like to gossip. If you just stop talking to him about current affairs or something, then all of a sudden you would think that he's sleeping, he's dozing off. But no, again, he has gone back to meditation. And then he said, Lama Rinpoche, oh, something happened, blah, blah. I need to ask, oh yeah, so what happened? How can I help, He was so compassionate. When he passed away, the doctors said that he had cancer, all over his body, and it has spread all over his body. And the doctors, very good doctors, and they said that they did some like PET scan or something, and they showed me the graphics, and they said that he should be screaming in pain. He should not be lying down peacefully. And he was on his bed, It was in Chandigarh, in the hospital. I remember when I went to see him, he was so calm. He loves coconut water. So we gave him a lot of coconut water, good for hydration. And he loves my father. Yeah, my father served him for so many years in the monastery. He helped with so many affairs of the monastery. So he loved my father. My father was like his right-hand man. So he would just tease my father, hold his hands, they would just like relax. And he was so relaxed. And the doctor, I didn't know that he had such bad disease. We thought that he would recover. And then the doctor said, I think it's going to be difficult. The cancer has spread all over his body, and he should not be lying down smiling. He should be screaming in pain. He's never seen someone like this. Doctor was so astonished. And that's the power of meditation. That is the power of habituation. That is the power of, the one that Shantideva was trying to teach us. And then he passed away peacefully. He didn't say a single word. He didn't even say like, ah or ooh, He just passed away as if he was sleeping. And he still had his smile. Otherwise, I've heard that people who have similar cancers afterwards, I asked around, and people asked me about Lama Rinpoche, and I said yeah, he died of this cancer. And they were like, oh my God, I know someone who died in my village of some of the cancer. And they were screaming like hell. They were asking people to kill them, Such was their suffering. But Lama Rinpoche was literally in peace. So it was a great example. His passing away was a great teaching for me personally. Yeah, how to die. We all have to die. How to pass away peacefully. And I saw the power of meditation right there. And that was not like something that, some monks made up. A real doctor. I went to his office. I saw the scans. I'm educated. I can read. So I saw the scans. I saw all the writings. And he told me he should not be lying, down, relax. Let me just briefly explain this in Ladakhi, remind the people. They're nanning lo, oh, tsopat mangaje, gompa tenen zigar gompe lama rimbuchi lama wangdo rimbuchi tenen zhongzane october te khurje zhongsten bhale october sashe nani zhongsten tenen lama rimbuchi gongno ge ju thal je zhongsten ale tenen lama rimbuchi podlang skun sama ma poju senokle sopat mang tenen ngaji gompa o jangkan tar so zos lama rimbuchi no tenen chunzana nga gompa son tenen te ga shalkan bong lama rimbuchi no ma mikirat pinle lama rimbuchi tenen skun sama lo 저게 저거 죽세메데 이 슈탈지 죽세도 게랄 지즈나 만나 물뚝 땅 메시스테 지즈나 만나 쇼양 비비 니 준다스면 게 장부 주스네래 되게랍빈데 만에 그러미고니 야샤 추치시 만나 드린서 포쇼 추치시 만나 가솔 메시 소바나 손데 타워리 티상 게라 아직 그런 거 타워리 티상 내가 접시 주간에 시켜오시게 먹는 티상 라마를 보시 가지고서 갸르 보고는 티상래 처음에서 라마몽도를 보시 창출선 바인 바관이잖아 되게랍빈데 미수지경을 베니 땅스테 고슬락 땅스테 카라 땅스만 람초만 그래 이렇게 teni tongzane o konga cancer dugzano pale noja hospital edben teni cancer doctor stopo duglo zus pura pelte duglo teni cancer bonse stopo toba zumo shanti tangane toba ino glo ele teni galsikna sam ma kapsu dupale teni naksha stans pa scan sospo teni doctor lole tamane kongizu aram chuse dugishis mano ale kong dimachano kuchukulin tangoshis no lole kane lamarin bajaram chuse zimstile talta injina teni coconut 코파미로 코파 coconut 나릴 파니 투인지나 냐발이 접시만 보주스도 노발 소바마 곰파스 군다 장잔네 곰파테니 라스만 보치노 뿌라발이 로마 보주시스네 teni abalin 코스 라마르 보시 니모트 발레 teni 라마르 보자방이스 아발인 이스카 탈타 인지나 teni 나한테 가이 페나 탐 탈타 인데 머고딘 주스네 doctor 담네 할레즈글레 이용테네 타와지기 지르테노 코치 장연탄 메카니안 디주시 미직 가머지 양진마지기 지르테노 스페라라송레 모노테오 호스피탈에 doctor 칠모 캔서에 카파 코란 오피스에 키르테마 낙샤브라스탄스 코란 아즈라르레 테니가 잉글리시 실시사데 힌디니 마시사 니 프라스타스네 테니 doctor 코란 할리즈글레 이섬 zumotan고시세노글로 쿠초쿨링 tan고시세노글레 마숫 zer고시세노글레 캔서에 zumo 마르소포노글로 다른 이 캔서에 zumo 다른 테산토노글레 테니스 라마르 보시 똥스나 아니 그런 니탄스라 지원은 이부 똥스나 파네 데오 템베 그런 미살직 리빙 프루프 마템베 미기 통카네가 미살직인 벌레 조파곰치스 너빠 춘춘춘춘춘 podla 좀 나스톤스메도 이테네 pod 장왕쇼르자네 pod 니와 쇼르테 엄스노레 람니 좀 나스톤스메도 단드링가 단 거리네 차나 나스톤노레 mana kalkun pesang teni ikako ang chinta ba chipsat ba wawezat ba totpas toksara totpashala pana jizirin dono pole tezane lamle dulte onsenala pawuzena dasate jia gunchi se pawute chilo north face chante colombia chante zume kerle tezane teni pode pawute kazuriyut tegun gonte onsenala teo 1959 60 jale dulte onsenala pole richin muchin mugul pura dulte onsenala gagara shorte onse jam mekerle anargat darum sopa ma lepte tezane sagaston podene gompa jansen pole 좀 zopa chun 좀 zot kerla gyar patezane mampo lamar mbucha kashi nya dus kerlo bale pura zopa homse tene jukpe gatamani tasazisa ngena mon sopa mashkedan teka ta sotinantis maji kompe japshi jukane zigarawa mi sotinantis teka itane gyar pa sotinantis lama ondo zikan bakazushi pin dene tsamizanogle oto bagwante zanogle gyar pa gunya tezu gelet belle yapes majokan mirixla yapes majokan te chanchusin bale man nama tapoit man pot tüküz mi kya jene lamar bu şey ki la das la ta ko chunzani ngan ma ta chunzani chi himis kom patser projik pepskaklo testini man ya la das man po ma pepsarach man ket sopat ma juksenokle gurum bu tupu yesa gurum bu skunda yesa jukseno la das man bu jalti yudo te kayut pale rum bu jilde mojik ale chanchusen bajik ma lama tapoit bin sombasan kung et dezukshi misaljik living proof tani ya dasa yu chospo nirangul nayale I dasa igane chospo labzane jivali chosna nyampo ngara mise nyamnyungu nirangul nyampo shadin bayale then relevant relevant I'm sharing my life experiences along with the stanzas of Shantideva so that these become relevant I don't want to give you something like copy and paste right ngerangul na chik lama janma jishat kan bo khata il zoste tansiman bale ngara tene jivale chunjugi jivale zukshi spechagun kazuga nga hago kazuga nga tong mana jita jakta ngchama nga tamigi tongka tesama ni justen ba mana sombasang this is one example a living proof of patience of compassion anyway ya jutene aba stanza number nishupa so 산다 넘버 20바 달라이 보시죠 동al 탐지 케세네로 동al 탐지 케세네 셰단 라소 단좀바 대다 결제 파워 때 라마 롤라 쇠 파워 동al 탐지 케세니 셰단라 소탄 좀바 대다 결제 파워 때 라마 롤라 쇠 파워 알레 오야 테니 마타 지직다지 솥바 춘춘춘 고미치나 솥바 지로 솥바 친모차치는 테니 마타 용칸에 동al 상마 짱 마타 juk na serama no 마타 짱 노츠케라 마노 로할레 테니 솥바 고미나 슈로세 감모 마타 테니 दुश्मन नोले शोजर कने दुश्मन सुपतने माता है मिटन चुंगना नोस न शेदां जन शोजर बोले शेदां लासो डांजों पा शेदां जकने तेने डाउ जोस्पो जोंगना नो मिटन चुंगना नोल सन रेले 동al 용칸 गुने 마탄 짱차마 노스 न खाले तेने 오 대다 결집 파오데 대숙 중엔 간뭐 뎀베 파오인 자노래 대다 결집 때와 때는 결카 톡간도 라인 넘버 숨보다 대다 결집 파오데 대숙 때는 중엔 간뭐 동al 용세 동al 짱 매죽 메칸 동al 때는 노트 시컬 마투간 소 대숙 소파 탁보 스파오 탁보지 요드나 때네 쇼제 간 메탄 중엔 간 정말래 쇼마티 두스만에 좆파는 녀봉하다 쇼 메칸 중엔나 때네 대군 뎀베 파오인 자노래 스파오 대다 결집 파오데 대간이 결카 톡간군 대숙 마타테니 미군 장축선 바군 뎀베 마타 낭바군 때네 스파오 뎀바인 자노래 락마 줄라소 파오 janma tachik dandire ngata spouse na chi sanole spouse na tachik mimampo sarkanje spouse mirwa ko palanjik spouse no ko spouse chipiano zana o koiteni mi mampo sattekya ko mane gal katop sekya tasanga ta chi zano pa napoleon zera tosla tene gerapsen yondu pale o tene alexander the great second jono pale great kongone mane kora mitsam satenole so 다 공원이 되는 직때 미사칸직 마탄 당들의 가수가 지땅 미군의 가수가 스파우즈라 데 스파우즈간 뭐 로사칸 속스 인자노 락마즈나 젤마군자노다 하고 젤마군 마타 스파우즈르칸 되는 젤마군 로사칸 속스 인자노 로사칸 치페 몰트랑 지발레스 제나 제주나 미즈르칸 보정진이 시체체스노래 마나 마탄 되는 시체스라미가 둘티시킬레노래 마탄 장진이 시체체스노 तेने रंगजी नेता ची शिचिस नहीं नो मना शिचिस नहीं नो ते शिचिस इनकान जिगा हाले स्पेशल ना म्यूजिक तेने फांसी तंग से को म्यूजिक साथ तेने को जेले ना तंग से फांसी तंग से सजा तंग से उतना को तेने फांसी तंग खेरन जिगना ला म्यूजिक से म्यूजिक को टीचू से दुबाक ना को रोसा तंग सों बले 제서는 그때가네 미니트 카시 있고 매만지고네 말어 미니트 카시 있는 거 시체스노 간다 카시 있는 거 시체스노 세컨 카시 있는 거 시체스노 로사칸 쪽스노 볼래 되나 쪽스라 나탄 디리시나 토레시나 나사시나 장파다메 켜래 뮤직 스타트나 로사칸 쪽스 못은 지발레 되어 찬스 파워만 못는 파워 때원 말때는 클레 셜로가 tamponing ispa line tamponing ispa dungal chi yongna chang merak zagane te zotnyan kan zotpa gomyan kan dungal tamji kesene ketset den zanatene manok chang manok digano zagano chama tachile chin tangata nangme chunyan kan dungal nangme chunyan kan teos pawon zanok teo dembe pas pawon galka to panin zanok le shedang la sotan jumpa shozer kan bo düşman inok zestena shoze kan bomane macho sho metkan choches zotpana ne po shoze kan tene düşman bu metkan chonyan kan bo dembes pawon zanokle misa kan bo pawon zanokle hago lakma julas pawo te man petene lakma janmas pawgun rosat kan choksin zanote o chans pawo man zanokle ko miji satanga tanchik pawo zanopachik o misa kan je tapojiren zerdu butaji la dasale mekyatlina yulman poji zerdu pale o tene ches pawo chamanopole 고 드림마나 토리시샤스노 토리마나 나우시샤스노 시샤스노 고 탑초테노 대두시샤스노 고 로사칸 쪽선제스노 stanza number 20 courageous victors are dismissive for all suffering and they conquer such enemies as hatred the rest just kill corpses to explain this Shantideva was differentiating between the real warrior a real courageous person a warrior against what we conventionally know as a warrior. Okay, so Shantideva was saying that a true warrior, a courageous victor, a true warrior are those who are dismissive of sufferings, who can withstand small sufferings, irritations, who can build up their resistance and patience. Yeah, that's a real warrior. And who recognize anger, right? Who recognize hatred as enemies, and they destroy so-called enemies, which is hatred, by using patience. Now, these are the real warriors. These are the real courageous victors, not what we conventionally know, right? In Hindi, the word is Yoddha. Yoddha means warrior. And technically, you warrior, Yoddha, Spao, Ladakhi we say Spao, are basically people who have killed a bunch of people, then Shantideva was saying, that is equivalent to killing corpses because we are destined to die anyway. We are not born to live forever. We are born to die someday. Can be in the womb, can be during birth, can be during, as a baby, or when we are as a toddler, can be when we are starting to walk, when we run, when we get old. We are destined to die. We are not destined. We are not born to live forever. That is the truth. It is not something the Buddha invented under a tree, 2,600 years ago. It was not like Buddha one day, he just became enlightened and he thought like, oh, how am I gonna, make life miserable for all future Buddhists in the future? Let me write something. No, he didn't write anything. He merely realized the true nature of everything, the true nature of phenomena, the true nature of self, the true nature of everything. And then he expounded that experience, that realization during the remaining years of his life. He never wrote anything. As far as we know, there is no historical evidence of the Buddha having written anything at all. He just spoke and spoke and spoke about what he had realized under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. That's it. And the Buddha said, the end of birth is death, right? The end of accumulation, the end of accumulation is dispersion. The end of meeting is separation. And the end of building something is collapse. These are the four main teachings on impermanence. Among them, one that is very crucial for us to understand is the end of birth is death. We are not born to live forever. So if you kill someone, if you murder someone, that is akin to killing a corpse. That was what Shantideva was trying to say. And they're not warriors. They're not yoddhas. They're not spouse. The real warriors are those who can conquer their anger, who can conquer their ego, who can conquer their jealousy, who can conquer their, ignorance, and who can be compassionate. The real enemy lies within ourselves. The real enemy is not Chinese or Pakistanis or the Americans or the, Buddhists or the Muslims or the Hindus or anyone. The real enemies are our afflicted emotions, bad emotions. As human beings, we are all the same, but we don't think alike. So we need to learn how to think in a compassionate way. That is good for the whole world. Anyway, to Sarkiduk, I will stop this and I'll come back again. You off just me on journey. Please don't go anywhere. I'll put it back, then we'll meditate. Timira.